Hello, and welcome to Talklish, the channel where you learn to speak real English with confidence. Do you want to speak English fluently about your daily life? Do you want to stop translating in your head and start speaking naturally? In this lesson, you will practice simple to advanced English sentences using the shadowing technique, one of the most effective ways to improve your speaking, pronunciation, and fluency. Listen carefully, repeat out loud, and speak with me. This is Talklish. Let's start speaking English naturally. The alarm rings. The alarm rings. I open my eyes. I open my eyes. The room is quiet. The room is quiet. I sit up slowly. I sit up slowly. My feet touch the floor. My feet touch the floor. I feel sleepy. I feel sleepy. I stand up. I stand up. I walk to the bathroom. I walk to the bathroom. The mirror looks foggy. The mirror looks foggy. I splash water on my face. I splash water on my face. The water feels cold. The water feels cold. I wake up more. I wake up more. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I look outside. I look outside. The sun is rising. The sun is rising. I put on my clothes. I put on my clothes. The day begins. The day begins. I drink water. I drink water. My body feels better. My body feels better. I leave my room. I leave my room. I smell food. I smell food. The kitchen is warm. The kitchen is warm. I sit down. I sit down. I eat slowly. I eat slowly. I feel calm. I feel calm. I check the time. I check the time. I am ready. I am ready. I open the door. I open the door. I step outside. I step outside. The street is busy. The street is busy. On my way to work, I think about the day. On my way to work, I think about the day. People are moving fast around me. People are moving fast around me. I hear cars and voices. I hear cars and voices. I am waiting for the bus. I am waiting for the bus. The bus arrives late today. The bus arrives late today. While I am standing there, I listen to music. While I'm standing there, I listen to music. I have already checked my messages. I have already checked my messages. When I arrive at work, I feel focused. When I arrive at work, I feel focused. I greet the people I work with. I greet the people I work with. We talk about simple things. We talk about simple things. During the morning, I finish small tasks. During the morning, I finish small tasks. I feel useful and busy. I feel useful and busy. At lunchtime, I leave the building. At lunchtime, I leave the building. I eat outside when the weather is good. I eat outside when the weather is good. While eating, I watch people walk by. While eating, I watch people walk by. In the afternoon, my energy drops. In the afternoon, my energy drops. I have been working for many hours. I have been working for many hours. I stretch my shoulders. I stretch my shoulders. I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath. I continue until the day ends. I continue until the day ends. After work, the city feels different. After work, the city feels different. I stop at a small shop. I stop at a small shop. I buy something simple. I buy something simple. By the time I get home, I feel tired. By the time I get home, I feel tired. I have finished another long day. I have finished another long day. I cook without rushing. I cook without rushing. Music plays in the background. Music plays in the background. I eat and relax. I eat and relax. The day slowly closes. The day slowly closes. Yesterday, I felt unsure when I spoke English. Yesterday, I felt unsure when I spoke English. I noticed my hesitation. I noticed my hesitation. I kept speaking anyway. I kept speaking anyway. Little by little, my words came faster. Little by little, my words came faster. I realized that mistakes were not dangerous. I realized that mistakes were not dangerous. I had been practicing without seeing results. I had been practicing without seeing results. Now I can feel the change. Now I can feel the change. When I hear English, I understand more. When I hear English, I understand more. I no longer panic when people speak quickly. I no longer panic when people speak quickly. If I don't know a word, I continue. If I don't know a word, I continue. In the past, I stayed silent. In the past, I stayed silent. Today, I choose to speak. Today, I choose to speak. I have learned to trust my voice. I have learned to trust my voice. English has entered my daily life. English has entered my daily life. While cooking, I think in English. While cooking, I think in English. While walking, I repeat sentences. While walking, I repeat sentences. Practice has become automatic. Practice has become automatic. I am building fluency step by step. I am building fluency step by step. Even difficult days help me learn. Even difficult days help me learn. I see progress in small moments. I see progress in small moments. Tomorrow, I will practice again. Tomorrow, I will practice again. I am going to repeat this lesson. I am going to repeat this lesson. With time, speaking will feel natural. With time, speaking will feel natural. I will express myself without fear. I will express myself without fear. I have been moving forward every day. I have been moving forward every day. Confidence grows through action. Confidence grows through action. Fluency is not fast, but it is real. Fluency is not fast, but it is real. I stay patient with myself. I stay patient with myself. English opens new doors for me. English opens new doors for me. I walk through them one sentence at a time. I walk through them one sentence at a time. This language connects me to people. This language connects me to people. It helps me share my thoughts. It helps me share my thoughts. I am not perfect, and that is okay. I am not perfect, and that is okay. I am present in every conversation. I am present in every conversation. Learning has become part of who I am. Learning has become part of who I am. I feel proud of this journey. I feel proud of this journey. I speak with intention. I speak with intention. I listen with confidence. I listen with confidence. I continue even when it feels hard. I continue even when it feels hard. This is how fluency is built. This is how fluency is built. Great job for staying until the end. By practicing these sentences, you are training your brain to think in English and speak naturally. Remember, fluency doesn't come from memorizing rules. It comes from listening, repeating, and using English every day. Come back to this video daily, repeat the sentences out loud, and notice how your confidence grows. If this lesson helped you, like the video, subscribe to Talklish, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next lesson. This is Talklish, where real English becomes natural English. See you in the next video.